The second thing that I want to propose today as being important in terms of communicating values is to find our frames. I mentioned before that how good the right is in the United States about framing things according to their own values. Frames are mental models that exist in our head. All of our brains have millions of frames. But 95+% of those frames, or the things in our brain, exist at the level of the subconscious. So something has to trigger whatever's in our brain to bring it to the level of consciousness. If I say elephant, now you're all thinking of an elephant. You might not be thinking of the same elephant, but you're thinking of an elephant because I triggered it by saying elephant. So the word triggers the image, which is the frame, and then you have a whole set of associations. You might be thinking about Dumbo. You might be thinking about a pink elephant. You might be thinking about a Republican. You might be thinking about a safari. You might be thinking about all these things, but what you're thinking of is likely shaped by the context within which those associations with that frame were forged. And so we talk about framing in our class, and we talk about the way that frames come with associations that communicators can use to create meaning and to shape policy and to do politics.